Now, this news is regarding the Poonch terror attack that took place yesterday. We're learning that 6 people have been detained by the security forces for questioning in connection with yesterday's terror attack on Air Force vehicle. Remember, there was an attack and terror attack that took place in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir yesterday, in which the Indian Air Force convoy was attacked, and we're learning that 3 to 4 Lashkar terrorists were behind this attack. Now, CNN News 18's Tejinder is joining us on the story with more details on this. Tejinder, could you give us more details about these 6 people who have been detained by the security forces?
Yes, Anjali, all those 6 who have been detained by the security forces are the residents of Gursai area of Surankot area of Poonch. All these, this is the exact same place where the terror attack took place yesterday, in which 6 personnel of the Indian Air Force were injured. However, one succumbed to his injuries while he was being treated in the military hospital. 2 other are stated to be critical, and they are still under treatment at the Army's command hospital in Udhampur, where they were airlifted last evening. So, as part of the ongoing investigation, 6 individuals who are residents of Gursai, the security agencies say that the mobile dump data which has been recovered from the area point out that these 6 were nearby the area where the terror attack took place. So they have been detained. They have not been formally arrested, but they have been detained by the security forces, and they are being questioned by multiple agencies right now. Since yesterday when this terror attack took place, the entire area has been cordoned off. Additional columns of the army, the Jammu and Kashmir Police's SOG, and the paramilitary forces have been rushed to the area to ensure that the terrorists do not escape from the area. Yesterday, after this terror attack, there was a brief exchange of gunfight between the security forces and the terrorists, but it is believed that the terrorists somehow managed to give security forces a slip. Intelligence inputs also point out that this terror attack was carried out by the Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists who were trained by the Sajjad Jatt, who is based out in Pakistan. 3 to 4 terrorists, they carried out this attack on the vehicle of the Indian Air Force. The vehicle was ambushed and it was fired from all 3 sides, in which the 6 personnel, they were injured. But a massive manhunt right now is underway. The anti-terror operation has been launched. Anjali, one important thing that at this point in time, there are 4 anti-terror operations which are underway in the Jammu region. One in the Gulabgarh area of Udhampur, the other one in the Bani area of Kathua, and 2 anti-terror operations are underway in Poonch and Rajouri. Yes.
Also, Tejinder, has this region of South Pir Panjal range became a safe haven for the terrorists?
Yes, you see, of late it has been seen that terror activities have seen a sudden increase in this part of the region. If you remember, there was a terror attack in 2021 in the Bata Duriya forest area, in which 10 army personnel, they were killed in action. Last year in the month of April and May, there were 2 terror attacks in which again 10 army personnel were killed in action. Again, there was another terror attack in the Dangri village in which civilians were killed. And just a couple of days ago, there was one terror attack in the Shadra Sharif area of Rajouri, in which one civilian, a government employee, was shot dead by the terrorists. So, security forces are concerned with the sudden increase of terror activities in this region. Though the sources say that while the focus of anti-terror operation remained in Kashmir Valley, where the security forces tightened the noose against terror outfits, so slowly and gradually post abrogation of Article 370, they shifted their base to the Jammu region, especially to the Poonch-Rajouri belt, and because of its proximity with the line of control, the terrorists, they are somehow able to infiltrate into the Indian side and carry out these type of terror attacks. You see, the input suggests that a large group of terrorists, which are believed to be 20 to 30 in number, they have been carrying out these type of attacks. They are in splinter groups spread across the Poonch, Rajouri, Riasi belt. So they have been carrying out these attacks, and of late it has become a bit difficult for the security forces to identify the location of these terrorists and to eliminate them. Yes.
All right, Tejinder, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this story. As of now,